This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup grow a garden, updated. Start by choosing a sunny spot and preparing soil with compost. Then plan beds and select varieties that mature at different times. Plant seedlings or seeds with proper spacing, water consistently, and mulch to retain moisture. Harvest regularly to encourage production, and save seeds from the best performers to improve future crops and soup flavors. Good soil makes a huge difference, so start by testing pH and texture, and adjust as needed with compost and amendments. Mix in 2 to 3 inches of rich compost and work it into the top layer for steady nutrient release. Use balanced organic fertilizers sparingly, and observe plant growth to avoid excess nitrogen. Consistent feeding and healthy soil biology lead to stronger plants and tastier soup ingredients. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tips. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle when I garden because it keeps me hydrated and hands-free, which is perfect between planting and stirring soup. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Plant at the right depth and spacing, following seed packet guidance to avoid crowding and disease, then water deeply, but less often to build resilient roots. Add mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds, and practice companion planting to deter pests and boost yields. Rotate crops each season to reduce disease pressure, and prune or trellis vining crops to maximize space for leafy and root vegetables used in your soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.